does the Smart Green Card program differ from a law firm? So we are not a law firm. We are not attorneys at law. I am not a lawyer. Neither are anyone working as part of our team. But the value we add is attorneys teams are really good at crafting a compelling legal case when you do have a great profile and then filing it with the government, presenting you to the government in great light and then getting it approved. But then what if you do not have a case at all? What if you do not have a profile, but you have the elements necessary to build a good profile? However, you do not know what to do. So we are the people who are experts in the technical area that you are working in. We fill the gap by making sure that we pass you through our program and get you the relevant hands-on support so that you don't need to put a ton of time in areas which other people can take care of, and you just focus on your subject matter expertise while we coach you and guide you and give you the necessary hands-on tools to build your profile and qualify eventually to meet that bar, which then an attorney's team can take up and write a legal case and then file it with the government. So we fill that gap between where you are at right now and the point at which an attorney will be willing to accept you in order to go ahead and file. In fact, we work with top of law firms as well. We partner with quite a bit of these in order to pass your case on to them once we are done with the whole profile building process in this journey.